Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start lesson number 6, fraction. Okay. In this fraction, we are going to learn like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper, equivalent fraction, and fraction in its lowest term. These topics we are going to learn today. Okay. Now, fraction means what? The fraction is the term. I will explain right here. The fraction means if we consider a complete part, for example, like a figure, a part of whole is known as the fraction. Yes, we can say a part of whole is known as a fraction. But now this is the circle and I divide that circle into two parts, and from this two part I'm colored one only the part. Okay, we can say this complete figure as a whole. This complete circle as a whole, and whole is always expressed as 1. Okay, but now here we can say these two parts and half part is shaded or colored, so we can say half part is shaded or colored, and fraction for this is 1 by 2. Directly we can say, but how this 1 by 2 is formed? कैसे बना है ये 1 by 2? So 1 by 2 is creates like that. The fraction for this figure is equals to colored part divided by total parts divided by total part. अब colored part कितना है 1 और total part कितना है 1 and 2. Both the parts are there, so 1 upon 2. This is the fraction, and in this way the fraction forms. The number 1 is here at the place of numerator, and this 2 is at denominator. ठीक है, in this way the fraction will form. इस तरह से fraction बनता है. Two parts are there, numerator part and denominator part. Upper part known as numerator and downward part is known as denominator. Now this is the term fraction 1 by 2 we express for this half colored portion of the circle. Okay, now we will see one by one these topics, as I think you understand this what is the term that fraction. Now like fraction. Okay, one by one we will see the types of fraction. These types are very important from the next standard or next class point of view. So first is like fraction. Like fractions. Now like fractions means we can say having same denominator, having same denominators. मीन्स ऐसे फ्रैक्शंस जिनके डिनोमिनेटर सेम होते हैं उन्हें हम लाइक फ्रैक्शंस कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 3 by 7, 6 by 7, 10 by 7, 9 by 7, etc. The fraction which has their denominators are same or equal. देखो 7 हर जगह सेम है. That's why this fraction known as like fractions. Second, unlike fraction. This term is over like fraction. Now second, unlike fraction. Unlike fractions. See, unlike fractions means having different denominator. Having different denominators. Okay, different denominators रहेंगे. Therefore, examples 3 by 9, 7 by 12, 6 by 14, etc. See, all the denominators are different. Okay, in this way we can express these like fractions and unlike fractions. Now after that we see proper fraction and improper fraction. These fractions are also very important because we are doing 4 operations with that fractions, means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so now proper fractions. In this fraction, we know that in this fraction, the numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger. ठीक है, ऐसे फ्रैक्शंस जिनके न्यूमरेटर क्या होंगे, स्मॉलेस्ट होंगे और डिनोमिनेटर होंगे बिगेस्ट. एग्जांपल्स देख रहे हैं हम. दैट इज न्यूमरेटर आर स्मॉलर 7/10, 31/94. देखो डिनोमिनेटर जो है वो बिगर दिया है 76/101 एंड 81/100 एक्सेट्रा. क्या क्या हमने न्यूमरेटर जो था वो स्मॉलर है और डिनोमिनेटर जो था वो biggest है. In this way we can express the proper fractions. Okay, so after that a fraction is improper fraction. Number 4. Okay, improper fractions. Okay, improper fraction means numerator just opposite of that proper fraction. Proper fraction के एकदम opposite. जैसे कि न्यूमरेटर यहाँ पे क्या था, स्मॉलर, और डिनोमिनेटर बिगर था. In improper fraction, numerator is bigger and denominator is smaller. So we can define it as numerator is bigger and denominator is smaller. Okay, therefore examples, we will see examples. Example is numerator bigger 76/10, 94/6, 80/19 and 16/7, etc. All these are the examples of improper fraction. Why these examples 76/10, 94/6, 80/19, 16/7? Like this type of fraction shows numerator is bigger and denominator is smaller. That's why we can say these are the examples of improper fraction. Okay, one more important point is there. After that is mixed fraction. We will see right here. Okay, mixed fraction. See number. Okay.